In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on DRM, or Digital Rights Management, on your Google Chrome browser. DRM is essential for viewing certain types of content that require protection, such as subscription-based streaming services or media that might be DRM protected. Let's ensure your browser is set up to handle this properly. First of all, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your device. Once you have Chrome up and running, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see an icon featuring 3 vertical dots. This is commonly referred to as the More or Menu icon. Go ahead and click on those dots. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, you're going to click on Settings. This will open up a new tab where you can manage all aspects of your Chrome experience. It's like the control center for your browser, where you can tweak everything from browser appearance to privacy controls. Once you're in the Settings tab, look to the left-hand side. You'll see a sidebar with a variety of options. Find where it says Privacy and Security and click on it. This section is crucial because it pertains to how your browser handles your information and what kind of content it allows websites to show you. Under Privacy and Security, you'll see several settings to choose from. Here, the next step is to select Site Settings. This area lets you manage permissions related to different types of content and interactions that websites can have with your browser. Keep scrolling down through the site settings until you reach a section labeled Additional Content Settings. This might be a bit lower on the page, so be patient as you scroll. Click on Additional Content Settings to expand this menu. Within Additional Content Settings, you'll need to find and click on the option that says Protected Content IDs. This is where you can configure your browser to allow or disallow protected content. Now, it's time for the crucial step. Look for the switch or toggle that says Allow sites to play protected content. You want to make sure this switch is turned on. When it's on, it means Google Chrome will allow websites to play DRM protected media, which ensures you can smoothly access various kinds of digital content without any hitches. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled DRM on your Google Chrome browser. This setup is relatively straightforward but vital for accessing protected content online. Just as important, remember that DRM settings may need to be adjusted if you experience issues with media playback in the future. So feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Have a great day.